if it's chicken for dinner, there's a chance it came from Peco Foods, a family-owned poultry company headquartered in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Their vision is to be a world-class food company. Helping make that happen is ATV enthusiast and security and IT manager Mario Manzano.
I love IT. My career started when my parents asked me to program the VCR. By having Cisco as our single vendor, we have achieved a really smooth transition between our networking and our security with our SASE environment. What SASE brings to the table is a smooth flow of management. There's a smooth flow of traffic. You get increased security, easier to manage.
What we're looking for with Secure Access and SD-WAN is basically being able to unify applications that we use and also have high availability when we use it.
We'd like to think of Secure Access as our eye in the sky, a one place where we can go to and see our environment from a top-down view.
Being able to have everything in a single pane, it's just super important to be able to do that.
Our techs in the field, instead of creating 2 or 3 separate service tickets, it's one. Instead of an hour, it takes them a few minutes. Their minds are blown.
For the users, they don't have any interruptions or blocks.
The user experience has improved twofold, at least. Percentage-wise, I would say it's about 200%.
We do use Zero Trust Access. It gives us a built-in way to go to and manage all our policy.
It removes a lot of the complexity away. We thought it was going to be a little more challenging. No, once we began, it made it intuitive. The way that Thousand Eyes was integrated with Secure Access was, to me, was no short of genius. Because you have your comprehensive, quick list of telemetry. It's one place, click it, see it.
We've seen a 60% reduction in troubleshooting time and a 7% reduction in tickets overall.
There's a need for platforms that can help us because bad guys don't rest. Back in 2024, post-incident, we chose the Cisco User Protection Suite and the Breach Protection Suite because it fits our needs. And we get enhanced user experience, ease of deployment, and telemetry that is valuable. Cisco being the one provider, it's helping us get there faster, better, and it's helping us reduce the risk as time goes by.